Welcome to all of you, my all dear friends in my YouTube channel Shikshan Mitra. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Shikshan Mitra and please like and share my videos. Today we are going to learn about bridge course of 9th standard for day 20. So let's start today's session. Today we are going to learn the bridge course which is given by Government of Maharashtra. So let's start. Welcome to all of you in my class at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. I am Mr. Khire SV and today we are going to learn bridge course of standard 9 subject maths 1 and 2 for day 20. Our today's topic is polynomials. Let's see what is polynomials. Let's recall polynomials. In an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables in each term are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. In an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables in each term are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as or is called as polynomial. For example, x square plus 2x, 2y square plus y plus 5, 9, all these are polynomials. For example, x square plus 2x plus 3. In this algebraic expression, the powers of variable in each term are 2, power of first term is 2, power of second term is 1 and power of third term is 0. There is not variable in third term, therefore power of third term is 0. Okay? Second example in that is 3y cube plus 2y square plus y plus 5. Now in this example, the power of the variables are power of first term is 3, power of second term is 2, power of third term is 1 and power of fourth term is 0. It's 3, 2, 1 and 0. These are the powers of terms, each and every term in this algebraic expression. Okay? Power means index of variable. Now we will see degree of polynomial in one variable. The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable in algebraic expression is called the degree of that polynomial. In the polynomial 3x square plus 4x, the highest power of the variable is 2. Here it is 3x square plus 4x. The highest power of this term is 2. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 2. In next example, in the polynomial 7x cube plus 5x plus 4x square plus 2, the highest power of the variable is 3. In this case or in this polynomial, the highest power of first term is 3, second term 1, third term 2 and here it is 0. Therefore, the highest power of the variable is 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is also 3. Got it? Okay, next is we will see some operations on polynomials. Operations means addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, like this. Now first of all we will see addition of polynomials. Addition of polynomials is two polynomials are given, in that we have to add those two polynomials. First polynomial is 4x square plus 2x minus 6 plus 5x square minus 3x plus 4. We have to add these two polynomials. Then first of all minus 6 plus 4 becomes minus 2. Negative numbers, two opposite numbers, or one is negative sign and one is positive sign, then subtract these two numbers, bigger number minus smaller number, and give sign of bigger number to the answer. This is the method of addition and subtraction. Similarly, plus 2x and minus 3x, it will become minus 1x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Sign of 3 is minus, therefore sign of answer is minus 1x. And 4x square plus 5x square will become 9x square. Okay. Now we will see subtraction of polynomials. For subtraction, at the time of subtraction, you have to remember one thing. If two polynomials are given, 4x square plus 2x minus 6, and second is minus 5x square plus 3x minus 4, and we have to do subtraction of these two polynomials. Therefore, at the time of subtraction, we have to change all the signs of second polynomial. Here it is minus becomes plus, minus and minus becomes plus, minus and plus becomes minus, minus minus becomes plus. Now we can add or subtract these two polynomials. Minus 6 plus 4, again it is minus 2, plus 2x minus 3x will become minus 1x, 4x square plus 5x square will become 9x square. Got it? Okay. Next is multiplication of polynomials. We will see an example for this. Suppose in first bracket x plus 1 into second bracket is 4x square plus 2x minus 6. We have to multiply these two polynomials. And how can we multiply these two polynomials? First of all, we have to multiply first term of first bracket into second bracket, then multiply second term to second bracket again. Okay, means x into 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Similarly, plus 1 into 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Then we will get next step is 4x cube. 4x square into x is 4x cube. Means add the indices of variables. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 2x into x is 2x square. Minus 6 into x is minus 6x. Similarly, plus 1 into 4x square is 4x square. 1 into plus 2x is plus 2x, and plus 1 into minus 6 is 6 1 the 6 is minus 6. Next is next step in that is x cube as it is. Then we have 2x square and 4x square, means like terms or similar terms are there. Add these two numbers, 2x square plus 4x square, we will get 6x square. Then minus 6x and plus 2x, these are also like terms. Add or subtract these terms. Minus 6x plus 2x will become minus 4x and minus 6 as it is. Okay. Now we will see homework or exercise for day 20. In that first question is state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials and justify. We have to state whether the given polynomials or expressions are polynomials or not. and justify why. First is y plus 1, second 2 minus 5x, third is x square plus 7x plus 9. Second question is write the degree of the given polynomials. You have to write the degree of the given polynomials. You know the highest power in the algebraic expression or polynomial is called the degree of that polynomial. Highest power is the degree of the polynomial. First example is 5, second x raised to 5. In first example there is no variable, therefore degree of this polynomial is 0. Second example, x raised to 5, there is only one term, single term, and the highest power is 5, therefore degree of this polynomial is also 5. Third example, 27y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. In this polynomial, the highest power is 5, therefore degree of third polynomial is also 5. Question number 3 is solve the following examples. We have to solve the following examples. First is 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 and plus 15y raised to 4 plus 10y cube minus 3y square. Add these two polynomials. Second is 4x minus 5 in first bracket and minus in second bracket 3x square minus 7x plus 8. You have to subtract these two brackets. Subtraction, addition and subtraction of polynomials. Got it all of you? Okay. Third is 3x square minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square. Means there is multiplication of these two polynomials. There is not a sign in between these two brackets, therefore there is multiplication of these two polynomials is there. Okay. This PPT is prepared by me. It is Mr. Khire Sandeep Vittal Rao. So please study carefully, study hard. I am an assistant teacher at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. So please, thank you so much, or thank you very much to all of you for joining my class. Thanks to all of you again. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Shikshan Mitra, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.